Breaking news that's coming in. US President Donald Trump has presented the prestigious Legion of Merit to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his leadership in elevating strategic partnership of the two countries and emergence of India as a global power. India's ambassador to the US, Taranjeet Singh Sandhu, has accepted the award on behalf of the Prime Minister from US National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien at the White House. Prime Minister Modi was presented with the highest degree Chief Commander of the Legion of Merit, which is given only to the head of state or government. He was given the award in recognition of his steadfast leadership and vision that has accelerated India's emergence as a global power. The award also recognizes his contribution to elevate the strategic partnership between India and the United States to address global challenges. Let me take this across to our Foreign Affairs Editor, Geeta Mohan. Geeta, good morning. Just put this really in context for us. How important an award is this from the United States to the Prime Minister?
Well, a very good morning, and it is a very important award. Remember, the biggest fight for the United States of America has been to battle China. And in that strategic cooperation between India and the United States of America, the elevation in the Indo-Pacific realm has really elevated the US's fight against China in the region. And for that, India's role has been very important. And therefore, the military award, that's the Legion of Merit, to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi becomes of significance over here, because the elevation of the US-India strategic partnership is vis-a-vis what US considers the biggest threat today, not just to the United States of America, but to global peace and stability. And in that fight against those who are causing instability and destabilizing the region, India's role has been very important, and therefore Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been awarded the Legion of Merit by President Donald Trump. Also, for Donald Trump, there are only very rare few leaders across the globe who have really played an important role and have aligned and allied with Donald Trump. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi certainly understood the importance of this elevation of strategic partnership between India and the United States of America. The relationship is a continuum, and the military relationship certainly is something that India has invested in. Therefore, the Legion of Merit, a military award of the United States Armed Forces, is given for the outstanding services and achievements and collaborations, and India and the United States of America in the recent past have really shown that.
Absolutely. But Geeta, when we talk about this particular award being given to the Prime Minister, has there been any statement really that's come in from Prime Minister Modi or from the MEA?
Well, as of now, there has been no statement. We await a statement of acceptance, given that Ambassador Taranjeet Singh Sandhu, who accepted the medal on behalf of Prime Minister Modi, has happened only when it was late night over here. So we're waiting for a response and a statement from the administration over here as well.
All right,
but
Geeta.
The National Security Advisor of the United States of America certainly has been tweeting about it and has said that Trump also presented this Legion of Merit to the Australian Prime Minister and the former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. The awards were received by the respective ambassadors. So basically, it's the Quad that has got the award. The India, US, Japan, Australia Quad leadership that has come about, and there has been leadership and a lot of investment in ensuring that it is elevated to the highest level. That's the leadership level, is the reason why I suppose Quad has got